Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account in 2021. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have my TikTok account open here. First, what I'll do is tap on the me icon at the bottom right, and then you can see my profile. I'll tap on the three dots at the top right here, and then you can see the very first option is manage account. I will tap on that. And then you can see a bunch of different options. At the very bottom, you can see the option to delete your account. So you tap on that. The next thing that will pop up is some kind of verification code that, basically it requires to make sure that it's actually you, not some random person deleting your account. What you'll want to do is tap on the send code icon at the, right here, and it'll text you a little code. So you can tap on this verification code and then just enter in that code that you receive, and then hit continue, and then it'll give you a few different things. This is pretty standard. If you actually hit the delete account button, what it will actually do is deactivate your account for 30 days. It'll appear that it's completely deleted to everybody else. However, it'll kind of keep all your data and your videos and all your information for 30 days. All you have to do is log back in to kind of undo that delete or undelete your account. So it'll deactivate your account, but if you don't log in within those 30 days, then it'll be completely permanently deleted. You won't have access to any of your videos or anything. So before going through this process, I recommend downloading any videos that you want to save or any information that you want to save. Take screenshots, download videos, and whatnot, so you'll have it even though it's not on TikTok. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.